Hello and welcome. Do you want to create a new YouTube channel, or you want to create a channel on top of the existing YouTube channel that you already have? We're going to start off by creating a new Gmail account so that you can be able to sign into YouTube. What YouTube does is it does not allow you to create a new channel if you do not have a Gmail account. So we're going to start off by creating a Gmail account, and we'll go straight away to sign in. And then we create a new Gmail account. So here, Gmail gives you the option to sign in, but what we need is to create account. So click on create account for my personal use, for my child, for work, or my business. For personal use might be limiting. If you would, at one point, you'd want that YouTube channel used by several other people to be able to sign in differently without having to share password. But we want to create a channel for my business. So click on this one, or 15 GB of storage in Google Drive. So click on this one. And then here, Google gives you the option to create an account by providing, first of all, your first name, which is going to be that, and then click on next. And then I'm just going to provide some random figures. They are not the exact figures. 1998, and click on mail. And then there are these random, for example, depending on the names that you've provided as first name and last name, Gmail can give you some random addresses for you to choose. But what we want is to create a Gmail account that is specific. So I'll come here and create 123K 23. And then click on next. And then click on next. Not now. And then I'll skip this. So this is my email, 123K 23. Then I'll click on next. And then his privacy terms, I'll click on agree. And yes, your Google account is ready. Now set up your business. Not now. Now we already have a Gmail account set up. I'll straight away go on these dots and click on YouTube. So now I'm on YouTube, and there is nothing that is being displayed as in form of videos, because this is a new account and YouTube barely knows anything about me. So what I'll go straight to the top right hand corner. I'll click on, under YouTube it tells me create a channel. So I can have this option to create a channel, and then this same option is available under settings. So I can choose to go to settings, and then under settings I can create a channel. Then I can give it my channel name, money pass, and then the handle can be money pass, and give it money passes. Okay, money pass 4 at money pass 4. This is a unique handle that is very unique on YouTube, that not two people can have it. So I'll click on create channel. Now I already have a YouTube channel. Now this is the front end of the YouTube channel that everyone or someone else outside you is able to see. So click on customize channel. This straight away takes us to studio.youtube.com or YouTube Studio. This is where you are able to upload videos onto YouTube. So welcome to YouTube Studio. I'll click on continue. So this is the place where what we're looking for. So here you find when you click on create, you are able to upload a video or go live. The other thing that we need to do is you can upload your image here. I'll click on upload image. I'll click on my desktop, and I'll click on my image. So this is my image, which I can be able to bring here and click on done. So if the image fits into this, the banner that I'd created here, which is this. So, and then I'll click on done. If you want to see how I created this banner, just go to canva.com. So come to canva.com, and then here you can search for YouTube banner. You can come here and search for YouTube banner. and then YouTube banner option is here. Click on this one. When you go to canva.com and YouTube banner, you find that Canva has got different templates that you can be able to modify to suit what you are looking for, and then you can create your own unique banner. So come back here to this, and then I can be able to add a description for my channel and type in my description. And then if you want to add the contact information as in your email, you can do that. I'll click on publish, and then when I go back to my YouTube channel and then refresh, you'll find that this information is now available. Now the other option is going to be on settings. After customizing your YouTube channel, go to settings, and then from settings, what we only need to do here is you can be able to view your channel, and then from here you can add your country. Like for example, you can also add some keywords depending on what you are doing, and then you go to feature eligibility, verify your phone number, then you are able to upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes. This is how you can be able to come up with a YouTube channel and be able to upload videos. Thank you.